Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. We got our signal on the 15th, which was right around here at this bottom. Perfectly timed signal, very nice. Plenty of time to take an entry basically on the signal. I don't really believe that this is the start of a new bull run in crypto. I do like that we got this compression over here and the MACD is positive, but I'm already hopping some of my Bitcoin longs. I could see Bitcoin maybe going a little bit higher here, but this is another return for me. This doesn't look like my regular bottom that we should see. Yeah, just waiting here. And I really would like that MACD to flip a positive on the weekly as well, and to have that RSI indicator here with my bands to cool down a little bit. Let's first look at Quantum. They do have a hip name, of course, QuantumScape. Who doesn't want to own something that has quantum in the name? Let's start with a weekly chart. Well, we're definitely not in oversold territory or overbought territory. I do like the MACD is positive here. I do like these bands are not too wide. Yeah, so technically I would like to pick this up if I would be interested in picking this up somewhere right around here, where we have this bottom to defend ourselves and we have this bottom. But I think with companies like this, it will be, we can of course get lucky when there's a setup, but there's no setup now here. And then we can get lucky to get a double off. But if I would invest in something like this, I would also have a bit of a higher horizon, and I would care less about the chart for timing my purchases. I would maybe do like 3 or 5 purchases over the remainder of the year to get myself into a position, if I wanted to get into a position here. Personally, I still like I like Shell, because I do think they will play a big role in the entire hydrogen transition. I like the compression we are building, and now I'm just hoping that that compression will turn out to be being released to the downside, giving me a few options to buy Shell and in cheaper prices. Atom USD, yeah, they had a bit of a headwind, I would say, on a recent move, and it doesn't look too good on Atom. But this is one of the coins, just like Bitcoin is for me, that's in my long-term portfolio, and that I'm not really trading actively at the moment. You can see that we're curling up here. The MACD is negative though. I think for Atom, there's not much of a setup here on the weekly time frame. Let's zoom into the daily. Not looking much better. So for now, this is the time that I'm just staking my Atom, or keeping my Atom staked, and all the staking rewards that I get, I probably just hold on to them or compound them or sell them for another coin, but definitely not sell them to $2 or euros at the moment. I like to keep those coins at work. And with Atom, one of the issues that you have if you stake them is that, yes, there's a big APR and APY, but at the same time, there's also inflation in the amount of tokens, and that will be going on for some time. It would really have been nice if we kept that level above 10, and I hope we can recapture it. But to be fair, if Bitcoin goes down, Atom will go down as well here, and I think the entire space will do that. Against BTC, it's looking even worse, but I can't really short this. There's no setup for me to jump in here for a short to hedge my positions. I also feel like the bottom is closer than the potential top in the next run. So for me, this is just a hodl, just like Bitcoin. And I'm not aggressively buying more here. Personally, I am buying for TOI. I bought for TOI on this period here at the 10th. What was it? 10th, 9th? Yeah, 10th of June. I bought a little bit for TOI, and I was taking that away as well, just so that we have exposure to the Cosmos ecosystem and that we can collect some airdrops. Other things that I'm interested in, not much really. It's like I said in the public viewing as well. A bit of a quiet day, quiet week, maybe even. Maybe let's take a quick look at my position on CM.com. And they have financially, they're not looking great in the books. So they have a big loan and that loan needs to be refinanced in a few years. But of course, rates are ramping up. But I hope they can turn the ship around, and they can basically live up the expectations they are setting themselves to be to at least make profit at the end of the year.